What's up, y'all? So today I got a video to show y'all. I got sent this pressure washer, and so I'm gonna do a little demonstration for y'all. As you know, I have my own pressure washing business. This is my trailer. So today we're gonna do an electric pressure washer. I own a detailing company as well. We use electric pressure washer for detailing. The company reached out to me and they asked if I'd be interested in using their product and seeing what I thought. So I put it together, and you know, it took me 10 minutes to put it together. Not bad. Shipped it straight to my door. You can find it on Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description so you can find it if you're interested. It's a 3800 psi electric pressure washer, 2.8 gallons per minute. I mean, it's pretty cool. It's a nice little pressure washer. If you're looking for something to, you know, just wash your car, or maybe do like your front porch or something like that, you don't need a huge pressure washer to do, you know, I don't know, a big driveway or something like that, and you just want to kind of clean up around the house, or like I said, wash your car, then I think this could be a good option for you. It's and if I remember right, it's $176, just under $177 on Amazon. It ships out of California, I believe. So yeah, let me show you real quick. This is it right here. It's a TE 5240 electric pressure washer. It comes with a pretty long power cord with the GFI, which is nice. So if it gets wet, it's going to shut off. I've got a lot of stuff out here. We were just doing some headlights, so I've got my I've got my polisher out here plugged in as well. But let me show you the pressure washer cord. So it comes with quite a bit of cord, actually. The pressure washer hose isn't too long. I think it's maybe 20 foot, something like that. But it's enough. That's what it gives you right there. So I don't know why it's getting windy all of a sudden. But yeah, I mean, it's, like I said, perfect for like washing your own car. If you're doing a little bit of work like on your patio or porch or sidewalk, something like that, then I think it's a good option. So let me show you how it works. It actually, the cool thing that my other pressure washer that we use for detailing doesn't have, which I'm kind of happy that this one does. It's actually got pretty good pressure, guys. Let me show you. So that's the cool part, is it has the automatic start and stop, which my old pressure washer used to have. The new one that we use does not have. So every time you get done washing a car, you have to go over there, push the button. It doesn't sound like a lot, but it kind of gets annoying. So this one's really nice. Let me show you real quick. And it stops by itself. So you do have a little like downstream injector, soap dispenser, which is kind of cool. It comes with all the tips and stuff. So that's nice. And yeah, let me show you guys a little bit of cleaning. My truck's not super dirty because I just got it wrapped, and I washed it pretty good the other day, but I did go through a little bit of mud so you can kind of see what it does. So pretty good mud. It's stuck on there pretty good. And honestly, guys, like when you're detailing a car, people think that pressure washers, you know, the higher PSI, the better. And that's not really true. When it comes to washing cars, you don't want a lot of pressure that's going to hurt the paint. And just from years of me washing cars, this actually, like I can feel it with my hand. It's like the perfect, I'm serious, guys, I'm not just saying this because they sent it to me. It's like the perfect PSI for washing a car. It's not gonna hurt the paint, but it's gonna get the dirt off and stuff like that. So I don't know, man, I was kind of optimistic at first, but it actually, like, it does a pretty good job. And the auto start and shut off is nice. I don't know where it's made, but you know, I can't lie, I mean, it's pretty impressive. we might actually, I was just telling my employee earlier, I was like, man, we might start washing cars with this thing. So I mean, seriously guys, honestly, it's a pretty nice little pressure washer. I do wish that the hose was just a little bit longer, but that comes from somebody that uses pressure washers every day for detailing and driveways, houses, parking lots, stuff like that. You know, it's nice to have long hoses. If you're in a little area at your house, I mean, I think that if you set it in the front of your car, I think that you won't have a problem reaching both sides of the car. You may have to move it for the back of the car, but you have so much power cord that it's not an issue. So like I said, it's perfect, I think, for washing cars, doing little things around your house. It's not bad. Let me show you on the concrete. I haven't tried it on the concrete, and you got to remember this is a 40-degree tip. So this is, besides the soap tip, which is what you would use with the downstream injector for the soap and stuff to, like, you know, spray the foam on your car. The 40-degree tip's going to be like the fan pattern is the widest, so you're getting, you know, it's not as harsh of a straight line. So let me show you on the concrete. You can see, I mean, I've cleaned my driveway probably, I don't even know how many times, but this is where we detail cars at, so this gets dirty pretty quick. Let me show you right here, because it's pretty dirty right here. Do this. I mean, that's going to be perfect for somebody that doesn't want to pay somebody else to do your little patio. This is a great option for somebody like that. So, I mean, I honestly can't complain, guys. It's not bad. It's going to take you a little bit longer, you know, than what, like if I went to a house and they wanted me to wash their patio, I could do it with my big pressure washer in no time. But so it's going to take you a little bit longer with this pressure washer, but it's not going to be bad. I'll show you just real quick. Somebody that uses pressure washers all the time, I'll show you kind of like how quick you could get it done. So I mean, for a little electric pressure washer, that's pretty good. So yeah, guys, like I said, I'm gonna leave the link in the bio for this thing, or in the description for this thing. 180 bucks, under $180. You can have a pretty nice pressure washer, in my opinion. I've used a lot of pressure washers, a lot of electric pressure washers for detailing, and if you're not using it every day, and you know you're washing your car a couple times a week or maybe once a week, I think this is going to be a perfect little pressure washer for you. And like I said, front porches, little patios and stuff like that. I mean, you could do a whole driveway with this thing. It'd take you a little bit, but it's got some power to it. I mean, I can't deny that. Sub $200, 180, 176 bucks. I mean, that's not bad. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, guys. The auto start and stop is super nice, very convenient. I love that about it, man. That's probably my favorite thing about it. If you're gonna be washing a car and you're not a professional, then the auto start and stop is gonna be like the best thing for you because you're not going to burn through the pump. If you have like a excuse me, if you have a pressure washer like what we use now, it doesn't have the auto start and stop. So if you don't have a bypass valve and that water doesn't have anywhere to go, then the water is going to keep just sitting there in the pump. The pump's going to keep turning, and that water is going to heat up, and you're going to burn the pump up eventually. So that's just stuff that I've learned through the years of detailing cars and stuff. The auto start and stop is super nice and super convenient to have. I'm serious whenever I say we might start washing cars with this. And the cool thing is, man, if you want to store it in a garage, or if you don't have a lot of space, then it's super easy to store. It's not very big. Yeah, I don't know, guys. Check it out. Maybe you'll enjoy it. Maybe you'll like it. You know, like I said, if you're kind of a DIY person, you don't want to go to Home Depot and spend $300 on a Ryobi pressure washer, then pay $176 for this thing. And I think the Ryobi that we used to have was 2,300 psi. If I remember right, maybe it was 3,200 or something like that. I'm pretty sure it was 2,300 psi at like 2.3 gallons per minute. This is a 3,800 psi at 2.8 gallons a minute. So, and for cheaper, I mean, you're spending less money on this thing. So, it's a good option in my opinion. So, yeah, I'll put the link, like I said, below. Feel free to check it out. You can look at the reviews and stuff like that and decide if you want it. But my opinion, it's not a bad pressure washer. I like it. So, thank y'all for watching. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace out.